everyone, Rainy Brain here. I know on my last video I said that I was working on a masterboard video, but I went to the mailbox a little while ago and my Stickii Club subscription was in there, so I thought I would do an unenveloping video, since these are envelopes and not boxes. So last month I got my very first Stickii Club subscription, and I think I got the retro pack, but this month I ended up getting 2 of their packs. I got the pop pack and the cute pack, and when I first signed up I wasn't sure which one I would get. I was drawn to the cute packs from previous subscription months that I saw, so I thought I would end up getting that, but the spoilers they gave for the retro pack made me choose that one last month. And then this month the spoilers for the cute and the pop pack were both really interesting and looked like things I would like, so I ended up getting both of those. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by opening the cute pack first. So we have, looks like a little notepad. So they're little sticky notes with a little bear design on them, super cute. I'll use these probably for sending out swap packages. I like to write little notes about things, so I'll probably add this to my little tiny note collection. So next up are these little papers? I guess these are also little note papers. They say chore checklist on them with little cute designs. Here is the theme for this month, Living Kawaii. These look like they might be sticker flakes. And here are the stickers. Oh, these hedgehogs are adorable. I really like the feel of this sheet of stickers. It feels like paper, kind of. Like not glossy smooth, but more like if you were to rub a piece of paper. They are also cute. Little unicorns and octopus and things. These totally look like the little Tamagotchis that I used to have when I was a kid. But they have the months of the year on them. And the last one is another paper feeling sticker sheet with cats. Alright, I'm going to open the pop pack next. So this Pop Pack's theme is elemental. Cool little notepad. Little fire paper clip. These are really interesting little designs. I think they might be the sticker flakes, but again, I don't want to risk breaking them. They're just really interesting. Like rocks and like the design kind of makes me think of tree stumps. Those are really cool. I know I'm gonna use those. I love these Phoenix. They are really cool. I like the shiny, the shiny effect. I don't know what to call it right now, but I really like things with that shimmery metallic feel or look. Oh, I love these. The last pack I got last month had some similar things. They're kind of like washi tape, but they're just little strips. I think these are really neat. These look like little anime characters in raindrops. Little wish flowers, dandelions. Those are nice. Not entirely sure what these are supposed to be. Maybe they're like river rocks. Very smooth and kind of dimensional. Well, there they are. I'm still new to the Stickii Club subscription, but it's $10 per pack per month plus $1 shipping. I think it's really cool that they separate the packs into 3 different themes. So you can pick whichever one you want that month, or like I did this month, get 2 or 3. I think you can also skip a month if you're not really into any of the ones they're offering. I definitely think the pop pack was my favorite one. This month, I thought I would really like the cute one, and I do, but I like more of what's in the pop pack than I do of what's in the cute pack. I'm sure I'll find something to do with all or most of them, but I definitely am liking the pop pack the best. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll share what I get next month also. Bye!